Today I want to show you guys this Greenworks heat gun. I got it for my label removing need. That is the specific reason I got this. Normally I use the corded one and it is really challenging. Every time I need to remove something from a box, I have to carry it next to the outlet. So this will give me the freedom. And I choose Greenworks because this battery, I have a bunch of other tools from Greenworks that I can easily use the other batteries. It came with the other units. So over here, as soon as you unbox your package, this is the package contents. You have all these different nozzles. You have 3 of them for different use cases. You can use them and they are really easy. I'm gonna show you guys. And you have the charger adapter and you have the battery. This one 24 amp 24 volt and 4 amp, so it provides a lot of power. So this is the main unit. So over here, once you want to use the nozzles, you would just place it in like this and you are done. You see it is secure, it doesn't come off easy, but it is very easy to remove without touching it. So you just turn this, you just twist it just like this and it will just fell off. So but still don't touch it, it will be still hot. So this can provide up to like 1000 degree, so that is really promising. So let's go ahead and just use how it works, right? So over here we secured it and I just want to show you guys how to operate. You have button on one side and it gives you access on both angle. You can see, you can easily press whatever the side, whatever the hand you are holding, you can easily press with your thumb and just trigger. So you see it works now, but don't just think that it is working. So in order for it to heat, you gotta press and unlock and then press and hold this, do not release. As soon as you release, it will stop providing the heat and it will activate the cooling mode and it will just blow cold air. So over here you press and hold, you don't need to hold the lock button anymore. I just want to show you guys how fast it heats. Over here you see, as soon as it heats up, you can see the color will change. As you can see, it just heat up within like 9 seconds. I can easily go over the label, like heat it up, and it will allow me to easily remove it. So I'm just gonna go over a couple times like this, and this will allow me to remove it. As you can see, I let it go, but it still works. So it's just blowing cold air to just cool it down a little bit. So you can see I can just remove it like removing very easy. You can see it doesn't leave any mark, any leftover. So if I just try to do this, it is difficult, it doesn't really come. So I just press hold, heat it up. You can see heats up pretty fast, just like this. I can heat it up and you can see how easy it comes off. So that works really well. That is the main reason I choose this. So you have different applications you can use, you can do soldering and bunch of other stuff, but overall what I am seeing, whatever I test so far, it is really promising. So again, you just twist the top and it just comes off. Do not touch it, it will be hot. So thank you for watching.